This weekend is not about you. Not about what you can get out of it. It's not about learning something new. It's not about getting your life back on track. You are not the center of this weekend. I know it's confusing because your whole life you've been fed a lie that it's all about you. I mean, ad agencies and marketing firms are spending millions to know everything about you. They've created a matrix, a fictitious world that revolves around you, caters to you. They constantly scream through every medium available. It's all about you, your happiness, your needs, your comfort, your success, your education, your future, your time, your stuff, your life. In 1543, Copernicus discovered that the Earth was not the center of our solar system. He sparked a revolution that turned the scientific world upside down. The sun, not the Earth, was the center of our solar system. It's time for you to experience this type of Copernican revolution. The reality is that life is not about you, and it never was. It's all about God, His glory, and His fame. He is the center of the universe, Him, not you. This weekend is a revolution. It's a call to wake up and change the way we see the world around us. It's a call to refuse to believe the lie that the universe is in orbit around you. To revolt against yourself. To recognize that God is the center. The universe revolves around Him. Your life could revolve around Him. Welcome to the revolution.